Test. Seems that we have audio and we're live. Cool stuff. Hola, Amr. Hello. Okay. We don't have chat on screen for some reason, but whatever. That will work anyways. Okay. Oh, that's work project. Let's close it. So today I am who this exactly? Today I will keep working on my SwiftUI boilerplate. We don't need VPN. We need OBS, definitely. Terminal. Hey, Assassin Kyber. Cactus. Hey, hello everyone. Can I increase size? Oh, I can do all the way. I can move the chat closer. I barely see it on the screen. Oh, much better. I decided to give it a try to have chat on iPad, but turns out it's kind of smallish. Somewhere there was chat appearance. Okay. Oh, found it. Old man's font side. Perfecto. Plates are always good. What? Ah, boilerplates. Right. Okay. Probably I'm kind of hurting myself a little bit. Oh my gosh, sorry for light mode. Probably you're blind already. But I was sitting next to the window before. Better. Hey, labvakar, Ekaterina. First, both licenses, no plates. Yes. Okay. So where we are. Super quick recap. This project is SwiftUI. I will make it bigger for your tiny screens or big screens. This project basically is boilerplate project. One more final thing. Please confirm that audio is fine and I will disable monitoring. Otherwise, I just start listening my amazing voice and stop speaking. Okay, better. Okay, so quick recap. Oh, I found the chat. Here it is on very bottom. Can I move it? Oh, I will fix that in a minute. No, in a quick second. Okay, here it is. Yeah, it's barely visible, but okay, better than nothing. Okay, let's keep it here like that. Not great visibility. Okay, whatever, fine. We don't need it. Finally, that's my quick recap, which I'm kind of trying to say. This project basically is SwiftUI boilerplate project. I already added revenue cat telemetry client and starting to add more components. Basically, that will be boilerplate project for my own applications and for your applications as well, if you want to play around with other people's code. Rogerio, got your first job. Amazing. Huge congrats. The very first job is the hardest one to get. After that, everything is kind of getting more easy and easy. First job is kind of hard. Later that will become easier. So, congrats. Now I see. On that on-screen chat we have Twitch only. Okay. We have very few people in Twitch chat. Is it so? Okay, whatever. Doesn't matter. Back to the shared screen. This one? Finally. Okay, we have just basic content view. Probably we will rename it home view, right? Content view is worst possible name for the screen. Let's say home view. Done. We have button with shadow. Basically, I'm using this button across the application. Kind of, I don't know, kind of nice button. I created a Firestore wrapper. Works like Mongoose for MongoDB. Oh, nice. That's cool stuff. Hey, Axel. Hello. Audio is good, Martins is bad. Oh my gosh. Highlighted. It is highlighted, yeah. Looking good. Sorry, I need to fix that chat on screen, but I will do that. I promise. Okay, here we go. Button is here. Oh, actually, you know. This could be kind of mind-blowing, right? Confirmation button, but red. Never do that. Confirmation should be green. Destructive buttons, red, and so on. But yeah, if you're a designer, make your own choice. So we have this button which can be used across the application. We have home view which contains nothing. We have constants file for keys. Basically, we have revenue cat, and telemetry client added. I think the Palking. Hello. Hey. How are you? I'm doing great. Thank you. And WishKit. That's very quick to add. Let's just add it now to don't forget later. And WishKit is just a very simple thing to add. WishKit config. I don't remember how you do that, but there is documentation. Okay. WishKit. Really? How you name it? It was something like WishKit. Kinda, yeah. Okay, WishKit, Martin Lasek. Okay, better. Martin Lasek. Yeah, it's WishKit. I don't know why we can't Google it, but yeah, here it is. Hey, Foxbit, hello. I completed my Java full stack course, looking for an opportunity. Any suggestions for future interviews? I don't know. Just apply for jobs. Very general question and a very general answer, you know. Long time no flex. Could you please flex like that? Yeah, we can. Hey Franz, hello. Okay, so docs, integration. Yeah, I don't know. why search didn't work, but yeah, here it is. Let's just add this, and that's probably is the last one. Oh, Paul's. Hello, Stefan. Subscribed. 26 months, crazy. I don't know. Tequila shot from me when we met, when we will meet. That's crazy. Thank you very much. 26 months, indeed. Crazy. Are you considering moving back to Riga? Oh, yes, I'm thinking about that. I am from Riga, that's my kind of home city, and I'm in Jelgava. I moved to Jelgava because of kids, and it was many years ago. Kids are already, basically, that is not a problem anymore. Because in Riga with small kids, it's kind of tricky, you know. Here in Jelgava, you just open door and kind of go to the school. That's it. Logistics are way more easy. In Riga, I was moving. When I was in Riga last year, when I lived in Riga, I was living in Vecāķi, next to the sea. That area, for those who don't know, that's basically kind of place next to the sea. And I had to go across all the Riga to the another side of the Riga to drive my kid to the school, and I spent, I don't know, more time in traffic than driving now from another city to Jelgava. So something wrong with your overlay. The subscriber message overlay chat 222. Vecāķi, yeah, Vecāķi is a great place indeed. Where is my Streamlab alerts? I see. Come to Iman. No. If I will move back to the Riga, I will stay in city center again. I was living in on Exporta Street, you know, next to the, basically not far away from Old Town, probably somewhere there again, we'll see. You can always move to Iman. Yeah. Paul's coming to Europe. Nice. Yeah, I see how I shoot myself in the both feeds. Basically, I have one shot on the one display, another one on another one. So that's not good idea, but okay, whatever. Let's stick with that. Okay, WishKit added. Probably we need to do basic configuration. I will just copy, paste, open, resend, snorkeling, this one. Maybe we should move to the Spain. Spain is in a few years, let's say so. If that will happen, then in a few years. But not permanently, just for winters, you know. Hey Ivan, new in the mobile dev world. So welcome. That's fun and interesting place to be. Okay, WishKit. To do, refactor init. Love those to do. Okay, let's just add WishKit config. Spain. Hello from Ukraine. Hey, hello. Spain, they charge streamers and extra tax, don't go. Maybe. Oh no, I remember on this keyboard. Where is my escape? Yeah, that was the reason why I'm not a big fan. Oh, okay, found it. So in init, that's revenue cat, that's telemetry. This also for telemetry. WishKit config. So for WishKit we need import first, of course. No such model WishKit. Oh, there was some problem with that WishKit initially. We'll see if that will work now. Oh, probably okay. So WishKit config button. So we can add padding if needed. We can change theme for brand color. We don't need it now. I needed to change padding in my freediving application, therefore I have this one. And comment section you can hide or unhide. WishKit config status badge, yes. Oh, I even have correct path to the config file. Nice. Too far from Old Town. Yeah, exactly. Watch all games, everyone, every Sunday. What games? What? Captain Price, I'm not sure what kind of games are you talking about, but yeah. Okay, basically that's enough for WishKit config, and I will add it. Let's add to do not forget. Oh, this song sounds too drunk for me. Next one, please. So to do will be WishKit. What's wrong with my screen? What I'm writing? WishKit. Yeah, it's all correct. Whatever. Oh, here we have WishKit. Like that. Yeah, better. Yeah, see you later, Ekaterina. Hi, Thomas. Labas vakaras. I understand about specification. What do you think about mastering both native platform, iOS, Android to stand out from other employers? Market is kind of tough right now. I doubt it was sure. It's better. The more you know, the better. But I doubt someone is hiring Android and iOS developer. Okay, sure. Small companies do. But in bigger companies, there always are iOS and Android development team. And if budget is tough, then usually they're using some cross-platform development tools like React Native, Flutter, and so on. So, I don't know. It's hard to say for sure, you know. I may be wrong, but there is big chance to just waste time on learning both of the platforms and still kind of getting job on one of them. It kind of doubles your chances, but it's not so easy to learn both. So documentary on Netflix called War. How all the Baltic countries started falling from Soviet Union, how East Germany felt. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's complicated history. Got my developer account. Nice. Well, took some support emails, but advice so far. Apply to interesting. Apply to the app, not the website. Interesting. Yeah, I got my developer's account many years ago, and sure. Okay, we have WishKit, so what else I wanted to add? Let me see. quickly. Swift. I guess I wrote down list. Oh, here it is. I guess I wrote down analytics, in-app purchases, customer feedback. That's WishKit, reusable for settings, paywalls. Yeah, probably that's enough. We have WishKit, telemetry, revenue cut. Basically, yeah. Let's look now in the where's my another project? It should be function. Okay, here it is. Just wanted to say that you give me motivation to continue develop my apps and keep going. Just for this, you are amazing. Thank you very much. It's very tough on beginning. It's super kind of hard on beginning, but you can succeed. Oh my gosh, Beat Spectre. I'm afraid to ask what is that in the chat? I'm afraid to guess. Okay, so let's see utilities. I think that probably, yeah, I know. I want at least two things. It's a squid. Okay. It was looking like some fish found on the side of the road. I see now. Okay, let's build this application. There are multiple things which I would like to copy from my snorkeling application. I have, yeah, same, octopus, more like octopus. I would like to kind of copy my premium banner thing. That's I think kind of good idea to have in the application. And I would like to copy tab bar, because tab bar is kind of unique and looks interesting. I think that could be interesting to reuse it in other applications, and maybe you would like to have something like that. The mode is called squid. Come on. Build times. Yeah, build times when you're streaming are not great. But that gives us a bit chance for chat and something else. Okay. Oh, that's DeepKit implementation. Okay, button with shadow. Just copied that. We don't need that one more time. I think that I will copy this tab bar. Okay, finally. That fat tower Mac Pro. Yes, sure. I don't see myself buying a desktop anytime soon. Actually, we need to change background. Can we change wallpaper quickly to something more natural to see that chat? New York Midtown. Come on, even a wallpaper selection is dead slow. I don't want that Mac Pro tower, but you are not wrong, Foxbit. I just wanted to change something. That's something dark. Let's change to that. I don't know what that picture is, but whatever. Did it change somewhere? Oh, maybe it changed it on the second. No, it didn't. Come on. Why everything is so slow? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, at least that application is built. Let's try to change wallpaper now. Okay, this one maybe. Nothing happens. So fun. Mako's just ignoring me. Oh, okay, finally. That's a nice delay. That's nice delay. So, are you excited about WWDC? Yes, as every year. Generative AI. I don't think Apple will call it AI. Apple will call it something like, something, I don't know, something else. Machine learning or something else. But yeah, I hope to see something like that. Oh, this is another drunk song. I don't like this neither. Okay, let's switch to this. Independent movies. That's more like ta-da-ta-da. Okay, so we are back. So what I would like to... Oh, okay, I don't need two simulators. What I would like to add this tab bar. It's kind of fancy. I think I will add that to my project. Paul's buying a MacBook 14-inch with AI. So yeah, if that will be M4, but I doubt we will see it on WWDC. Maybe, but I most likely will buy it as well. I really need it. As you see, we even can't change wallpaper while streaming. Sure, I can always go back to the two-machine streaming setup, but I hate that more. I hate both, but two-machine streaming setup is more painful. Time to switch to Linux. Sure. Are you going to buy the new iPads next week? I don't know. I have iPad, last one before M series, and it still handle all that I do. Probably no, because in summer I bet I will spend money on camping gear, motorcycle gear. I don't really need new iPad. What I could buy is a new iPad mini if that will get M chips. Then yeah, I would like to have something bigger than phone, but smaller than big iPad. So if Apple will release iPad mini with M chip, then probably I will get it, yeah. WWDC watch party. Poof. I don't know, we'll see. Have you tried NDI to PC streaming? NDI wasn't stable for me. I don't know why. Because I used NDI from Mac to PC. It was working just fine while I was in another kind of room, in another office. I moved the same setup over to this room and it stopped working. It's kind of, I don't know, unstable. When it works, it's fine. He will buy at least one keyboard. One keyboard is coming, actually, already. Black or gray? Probably, I definitely will buy a black MacBook. Are you still using Nufier keyboard? Not today. Today I am using that's keyboard named Light Mode. I will say decent keyboard for affordable price. Somehow, cable which comes with it didn't connect well, but I don't have any problems connecting with another cable. And battery life was surprisingly low. And those are kind of, I don't know. Those are cons, but nothing crazy, you know. Otherwise, great keyboard. And Nufi Air I have somewhere behind me in the shelf. It is there, but I just like sound and feeling on bigger keyboard better. But I'm waiting for Nufi 75 something. Basically Nufi, but not light keyboard. Nufi 75 version 2, something like that. That looks cool. I like Nufi keyboards. They are good, and price is very, very, very good as well for them. That's why I like my Iconix keyboard. Yeah. Iconix keyboards are good as well. Yeah. I would like till M4. Yeah, definitely. I definitely waiting till M4. Yeah. And I just a few days ago I was going through all the keyboards that I have, not all, but many of keyboards that I have, just switched in between them, just to charge them, play around a little bit. I don't know, just for fun. And yeah, still like Nufi Air, and compare it with Logitech MX Mechanics. I prefer Nufi Air, even it is almost, I don't know, not half cheaper, but much cheaper. Yeah. Do you think Objective-C knowledge is in the band? No. About that Objective-C, you know, in my contract, on what I'm working right now, there is Objective-C mentioned as well. Quite often, HR people writing those contracts or job posts, and that Objective-C is quite often is not really needed. And in my case, we have Objective-C code in the application, but I didn't touch it for many years, you know. It's to be frank, if someone would hire kind of another developer to replace me in that company, I doubt they will ask Objective-C kind of knowledge and skills. But I will not be surprised if that will be included in job post, because it is still in my contract. Hey, One Piece, hello. Yeah, everything is great. I'm streaming less because busy, but everything is great, thank you. Yeah, I agree with folks, but that's good reason to have Objective-C developer, just to move forward and upgrade. There are still projects in production, Objective-C heavy, or basically, yeah, but I don't know. Nokia Vios phone, yeah. If you're going to work in Apple, yeah, you will probably write plenty of Objective-C code. If you're working in some old company with legacy, old application and so on, yeah. If you're working in company which have application built in last 5 years, that will be Swift only. We need you streaming more. Yeah. You know, that's my family also comes up with kind of some silly demands. They will like to see me, and I don't know, it's kind of tricky. Okay, let's see what we can copy paste here. What do you guys use to deliver your apps to friends for testing? I will use TestFlight. Why not? Sure, Apple doing some kind of light review in TestFlight, but I never heard that something will be rejected from TestFlight. Oh, actually, I have a question to you guys. Here in the application, I have this tab bar. See? What is your opinion? Do we need this type of tab bar in the SwiftUI Boilerplate project? From pros, it looks kind of nice and fancy. From cons, it is custom made, and basically you have to support it. So what do you think? put thumbs up in the chat if it is cool, and thumbs down that support and maintenance doesn't worth it. And yeah, of course, I'm not planning to support and maintain it till the end of my days. I can maybe kind of release it like a viable code, and then I don't know, use it if you like it. Hamburger menu is the best. Come on, no, never. Thumbs down. Thumbs down from Prodigard. Anyone else? Around the tab bars. Exactly the same in Flutter app. I don't know if that's compliment or insult. Let me switch to this dark mode. Yeah, I think it's kind of very custom, and I am not kind of committing to support it. Basically, I don't know if that will break in iOS 18. I will just say, sorry, shit happens. It's kind of fancy and I like it in my own application, but and I will support in my own application, but if I will kind of release it for everyone. Oh, interesting opinion. Default tab bar better. Yeah, I kind of agree from support and maintenance perspective, sure. And additional bonus for default tab bar, you basically can use it across all the platforms. This one is very custom, and I will be not surprised if I will be bored from this tab bar and will remove it in iOS 18. The blue looks good. There are different colors. You can, of course, you can change whatever color you like. Remove color highlight. Yeah, that's preference. That's basically choice. We have this highlight on top, and then it's kind of glowing down. That was the idea in this tab bar. You can charge for the fix later. Yeah, exactly. Doesn't look native enough. Yeah, I see. Apple also kind of making different. Yeah, I don't know. I just kind of wanted to jump and copy this, but probably you're right. Probably that doesn't worth it. So another thing, banner. I think banner is kind of good candidate to copy it over. Let me find for banner. That's very simple view, but I'm using it. Premium banner view. Here it is. Pitbull, let's say thumbs down 2. To be honest, something seems a bit weird in the radius of highlights. It seems. Yeah, maybe. iPhone 6 style, yeah. Send storage, yeah, agree. That's a good idea. Also, Edgars, I will say, I will not be surprised if Apple will kind of come up in iOS 18 with relatively big UI updates. I don't know, because you remember there was iOS 6 and then iOS 7 come out and everything become flat, and since then Apple just doing kind of small changes every year, nothing crazy. I don't know, someday maybe they can change design. Frankly, I do not believe that they will do some big moves, but I have some little bit of hard-coded stuff here. Yeah. Okay, let's add banner. Yeah, I agree with you. It doesn't make much sense to move over this that, yeah. Okay, button shadow view. Let's make one file. That will be premium banner view. I will either use and reuse it in all my applications, because I think that is kind of good idea to sell your premium version. Basically how it works, you can use it, basically you will see paywall time to time and so on, but for example if you're going into the settings, you see banners that unlock premium features, and if you kind of would like to see more details, it will open your paywall. And if you are going, for example, try to change app icon, this amazing, for example, then again it will jump out, the premium banner will jump out. Animation could be smoother, but it works, you know. Is it possible to learn iOS development in summer? Sure. If you are asking about time, 3 months, yeah, sure, you can learn. How much will you get job and so on? Those are different questions. Unlikely you will start from 0 till job in 3 months. That will be a big surprise, especially in today's economy. Unlikely. Learn programming and build your kind of few portfolio items. Yeah, that's doable. Sure. Yeah, ice only for the winter. I don't know, we don't have summers here in Latvia, but I assume that summer, it should be possible to learn in summer as well. But I don't know for sure. Okay, so yeah, no alert is fine. Foxbit said alert is in front of chat. Okay, whatever. Do you select to learn coding in a bootcamp or self-draws with small projects and online courses? I will say that depends on you, because those bootcamps doesn't add much value to your portfolio. Basically, no one really cares about bootcamps. Okay, that's better than nothing, but yeah, I think that doesn't add much to your portfolio that you finish at this or that bootcamp. Everyone will take a look on your portfolio. So you need your portfolio, you need your skills, and then question about bootcamp that is more about, are you able to learn on yourself? There are someone can, and someone needs this kind of bootcamp structure with lessons and I don't know, other bootcamp members to work together and so on and so on. Bootcamp definitely helps. Do you need it? No, I don't think so. What's going wrong with my playlist? Those were fine. Let's try that low-hi hip-hop. How long will you say it will take to learn until you're able to get their job? Again, today's economy is a little bit tricky. I will say, I always say it from 6 to 9 months. That totally depends. Are you doing that full time and that is your only thing that you do, or you have day job, family and 5 kids? I don't know your situation. I don't know how good you are at learning and so on, but from 6 to 9 months, that's doable. Krameron, hello. Thank you. Playlist definitely is not on my side. I know Python and JavaScript very well, but problem is in job market there is no job entry-level Python developer. Yeah, that always was so in web development. It's kind of Looks easy because there are so much web development jobs, but also there are so many applicants. In Mārupe. Oh, nice. Labvakar. I can't stand that music. Really. Lofi was my... Okay, I'm going back to... This was my trusted live streaming playlist. This was my trusted playlist. What the fuck? Oh, I am not logged in? How? Why? What's happening? Then why we are playing music if I'm not logged in? Oh, maybe that was the reason. So dumb. Sounds the same. Okay, whatever. Synapse, common apps for everyone. Yeah, well said. Yeah, sure. If it's hard, that doesn't mean it is not reachable. It is just hard. You have to push harder. Okay. Let's do just copy pasta, and then I will cut out unnecessary parts. That revenue cut, we don't need it here at the moment. We will need it, but we will need to modify it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, I don't like this keyboard. I don't like this keyboard. I just forgot where is my tilde key. So let's remove probably I will need that offering handling, but I will do that later. Let's add UI part only for now. Here we will show, we are showing here premium offer from revenue cut. I will show default paywall from revenue cut. There was my own kind of logic for identifier to test paywalls and so on. That's way too complicated for this and way too sloppy for this code. We don't need that here. And sheet is presented. We will just show premium offer, but not this footer. Yeah, let's show default paywall. Because I'm showing premium offer view, but we will show revenue cut paywall. How do we show it? Like paywall? Like that? I don't remember. Probably. Yeah, this revenue cut paywall. And of course we don't have those colors, brand primary and so on and so on. Ruby, yeah, it was. It's Ruby is no one remembers Ruby in ISO development world anymore. Yeah, TypeScript and React Native, that's I hear that over and over again, so okay, for the background color, let's go just for, I don't know, blue, because I have kind of blue and blue will not work, right? But whatever, let's take a look how that will look. Okay, yeah, we need different color for buttons. That blue kind of looks okayish, not horribly bad. All right, I have banner with and without description. I want to get a job in iOS development. What are things I need to learn? Swift? SwiftUI. I need some just placeholder. I'm trying to come up with some kind of general copy for what exactly to unlock for all the projects, but let's use something like okay. And here we need different background for color. Yeah, I'm using kind of different shades of blue in my application, but brand primary will not work in this case. I can just copy over my kind of brand colors, but then just everyone will use it without changing, because we are lazy human beings. Gray will look horribly bad, green even worse. Gray will not look good. Yeah, it's very bad. Okay, you know what? I will go and take a look on sales. How there was named sales, something like sales, no. In up. Not adaptive. That was on Superwall. Superwall. Superval. Inspiration. Yes, exactly. That's what I was looking for. Use red. Nah. Hey Kirill. Thanks, but red on blue, that's no go. Well, there is kind of yellowish on. And red is not good color for selling. Actually, you know, I can go with green and just change that background blue. I don't know why I'm sticking with this blue background. Yeah, I'm sticking because that was kind of brand color for my application, but yeah, there are red buttons. You're right, actually. Red, green, blue. I don't know, that looks horrible. Skype, really? Looks horribly bad. This is, I don't know, looks bad in my opinion, but who am I to judge? I think you know that blue looks kind of good because blue is, if you wonder which is most used color for app icons, that's blue, because blue is kind of, I don't know, feels calm, trustworthy, and so on and so on. For backend of iOS app, does Swift is used only? No, of course not. You can use whatever for backend. Literally whatever. Anything. And rarely that is Swift. Almost never that is Swift. Yeah, you know, I will go with blue button and something darkish. I should add some gradient, you know, like that background. That will look better, but let's do not kind of stuck in that. Let's add, this will be blue. And background for the screen will be just gray will be probably not good. Let's take a look. Something else. Can you recommend good SDK to catch images for iOS? There was something with fish, kingfish, something like that, kingfish. Really ugly apps with Swift and backend with Dart. Amazing. Pitbullet asking in Twitch chat. Yeah, you can post it definitely in Discord as well. I will be releasing camera app having some unique live feed effects using machine learning. How will you monetize it? Ads are annoying. Ads are making very little money. You need huge audience to make decent money from ads. But you can use ads to annoy your audience. Paid subscriptions drive users away. I don't think so. One-time purchase seems to be attractive, having demo state which lets you only to take 2 photos and short video. Pitbullet, if you want to choose one, I would say start with subscriptions. You can always change your mind. If you feel that, oh, maybe people don't like subscriptions, then just add options, subscriptions and one-time purchase. That's it. If you want to have ads, yeah, add them just to have something from free users, from free customers. But do not expect that you will become rich from ads. You will earn close to nothing if you will have small install base. And your assumptions are just assumptions until you test them. If you will ask your developer friends, are they like subscriptions? They will say no. I believe that you don't like subscriptions. That's fine. You don't know if your customers like or hate subscriptions until you try it. Believe me, you have to try. You just have to try. Oh, BitSpectre, that's secret. Okay, not a real secret, but I'm not pushing it and kind of. Yeah, but if you are Pitbullet, if you are in our small kind of indie developers, how to say it? Not mindset. I don't like that mindset group. That sounds dumb. Community. Ask. No, it's fine. It's not a secret. It's definitely not secret. Yeah, we have a small community on school. You can join it. It's behind the paywall to keep it small and dedicated. Pitbullet, if you will, I will give the same answer. I already answered your question. I will give the same answer there. But yeah, you can get more opinions. You should test. You should test your pricing. Did you try Android Dev? Yes, I did. But it was, to be frank, that was in my past life probably. That was back in the days when Java only was used for Android development, and as a development environment it was Eclipse. So those basically we're talking about first versions of Android. Yeah, ads are working, but if you want to earn real money from ads, basically you have... Oh, I see that we have an ad break. I hope you still hear me on Twitch as well, because Twitch is very aggressive with ads. But anyways, so if you want to earn money from ads on iOS or Android, basically you have to be very aggressive with ads. You have to show full screen ads. Those small ad banners makes close to no money, and you need quite a big audience. With small audience, with small install base, you will earn close to nothing. Okay, whatever. I added this banner. That's cool. BitSpectre, subscribe it. Thank you. I'm almost... I feel guilty when I'm getting those subscriptions on streams because I'm streaming so little. But you're probably trying to trick me into just streaming more often. Okay. It works, probably. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so where I am. Okay, I will not waste much time on this now. Let's add this banner here just to basically just have basic stuff. You know it, yeah. I understood. That's your plan, to trick me into the streaming. Function. Yeah, it somehow doesn't work. Why? Strange. No, we don't need to force quit. Did I close? No, here is another project. Why I can't switch between them? Okay, I need to switch keyboards. I can't. Keyboards without dedicated escape and tilde are joke. Iconix was close to me, but no, this time it's Nufi. So I wanted just like that, switching effortlessly between two Xcode projects. It's so easy with normal keyboard. Why we need those keyboards without escape and tilde keys? Okay, whatever. I heard some companies experimented with Kotlin multi-platform. Yes, I'm working in one of those companies, making their iOS developer to learn Kotlin. Oh no, not my case. According to their team reviews, Android developers were happy, but not iOS. Yeah. We have dedicated person who working just on multi-platform part of the Kotlin. Android app is part Java, new parts Kotlin. iOS team do not touch Kotlin. It's fine like that. If I should learn Kotlin, that's fine, but you know, I was reading some Kotlin code today. And I posted that in Discord. It's kind of you're reading, it's fine, you kind of understand, it looks fine, everything is good, but then you are... Where it was. Yeah, here. Basically, in Kotlin, this is else statement, question mark. I can't even read it. I know it's very small. You probably can't read. But basically, why we have else in all the programming languages? Why question mark run? Why? I don't understand. So sometimes some decisions just look, okay, let's say strange. I will not say dumb, because those guys who come up with Kotlin definitely are smarter than I. So who am I to say that this is dumb decision? But it's confusing for my brain. Okay, where I am. Distractions. So premium banner, kind of, we have it. I will fine tune those colors and everything later. That is one thing. What else? Purchase view. Probably in the Boilerplate project, I will start by using revenue cat paywalls and will add maybe custom paywall later. Special offer view. Don't really need it. What is privacy filter view? Where I have it? Oh, interesting. Oh, I have dedicated view. Yeah, but I don't have custom paywall anymore, so I don't need that. Guidances, nah. History view, nah, nothing to copy. Settings is kind of interesting. I think almost every application needs settings. Definitely my app settings are the same, and then I kind of copy from each to other and making mistakes by copying something older to newer and so on. So that could be cool to have settings screen in basically somewhere in the app. Actually, it's 11:30 already, so let's do something quick. Settings view can be made quickly, and I will do it just by copying my current settings and then just go over and delete everything. Oh, Stefan, you have to go. I will go soon as well, I think. View model. We will not need it. I will go soon as well. Launch with parents. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. Have fun. Enjoy lunch. And see you on the next stream. Hopefully soon. Wings is working with Swift and Kotlin. Can get used to it. Worst is using val in Swift instead of let. Val? What do you mean by val? Instead of let. Variable. Yeah, I don't know. Val. What is val? I don't have val in any Swift code, what I saw. Variable maybe, but okay. Yeah, switching something you're getting some brain farts when switching in between languages. That's kind of tricky, and I don't know, you're getting used to it, but some parts just looks, sometimes some parts just looks weird. Val is constant in Kotlin. Okay. Horst is using val in Swift instead of let. Okay, yeah. So in Kotlin you're using kind of val for constant. Sure. I'm happy to not use Kotlin. I just was reading a little bit of Kotlin today. Setting view. Hey Batuhan, hello. Stream daily. Yeah. Sure. Maybe one day. You know, to stream daily, I need to first drop freelancing. But still, I don't think I will go hardcore daily, because, you know, there are so many things that should be done besides of that, you know. Okay, RAM manager settings. So let's start delete. Oh, notifications, actually that's a good thing. I totally forgot that I want to bring that to the app, but we need notifications and we need, notification manager. I have this list here only. Okay, I will edit this post. Analytics. Notifications. And we need definitely privacy manifest. That's new thing. One day someone on my team reviews Android and got comments about this. Yeah, cool stuff. Oh my gosh. Can someone ban please this serial post, whatever it is. Probably I can do that myself. I think Foxbit is not around. Okay, it's hard, but I will do that. Oh, actually, check out how Twitch is changed. No half naked girl streaming. What happened? Okay, you're welcome. That was important. Val constant, var variable not constant. Oh, okay. I see. Yeah. Yeah, I said that I wrote kind of before. I read quite a little bit of Kotlin, but I somehow missed this. I didn't somehow pay attention on variable declaration. Yeah, we will need this part basically to show premium banner in the settings, but I will need to add kind of active subscription kind of monitoring stuff. Okay. Yeah, here we have our kind of little bit drunk songs. Let's skip this one. There was few kind of songs in the row which I didn't like. Mine settings. Okay, we will not have that. Come on. Getting drunk. Yeah, I don't know, pro settings, that's kind of niche thing in my app. Probably we don't need it. Let's just delete this section, and then we have support and resources section. That's a very common thing. Guidance view. Let's add empty view for now. By the way, in Swift you can just add SwiftUI, you can just add empty view. You don't need to declare it. It's kind of cam built in. No, we are just installing Swift package. And all the magic is inside already. It's just how Swift package and basically whatever is built in business logic depends on projects. We have something specific and so on, but yeah. Will you save the stream? Yes, stream will be available to watch later on YouTube. Okay, that contacts about view, I think that's kind of useful. And I will keep it as well. Send email. Do I have separate function for that? Oh, I have. Oh, interesting. Ah, yeah, I'm adding. Email. Seems that I'm relatively smart guy. Check out how much code I wrote here. Oh, yeah. It's basically getting app name from bundle ID, then we are kind of getting app version and adding that to this, adding all of that to the subject, email to this, and subject is support for app name, app version, and then it's going. Yeah. Actually, not bad. Not always when you are looking on your old code, you are kind of getting cringe. Apnea probably we need to somehow indicate that this should be app name. works for this app. Okay, let's just have empty line here. Tip view, we don't have tip view, probably we don't need for this app. A little bit too complicated. Just come to say hello. Hello, Nadir, hello. So on disappear, okay. Oh, right, we have that subscription cancellations here. Totally forgot that. Good. Happy Labor Day. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Same to you if you celebrate. I didn't do anything. Oh, actually I'm lying. I was on longer lunch break with family, but I was working today. So, rating we will have here. That will work. I will just need to change link, not to link to my application. So probably we already, do we still have some? Okay, we don't need TipKit here. We need WishKit, we need SwiftUI. So what's wrong here? Oh, it's settings view. Not setting view. Why setting? Settings view. What's that bit Spectra? Octopus dog? Any updates on the course? I will launch, so that's big secret, while no one else is listening. I will relaunch that course, like kind of doing together thing in the community, which we have already launched, but that's a big secret. Say no one. Raccoon with squid arms, obviously. Yeah. The raccoon looking like Luca, you know, on small screen, but so. But yeah, I'm working on that update. So basically it is here. Feature requests opening feature request screen, even empty, and you can add feature request already. That kind of works, but we'll send those feature requests nowhere because we don't have APK inserted, but it will work. So we already can. Oh, interesting. Why I can't type? Oh, no, I can. What was that? What happened? Feature requests. And I don't know, it's working. Show the keyboard. Command key should be keyboard. Oh, okay, it will not show it here. Right, we need to run it on simulator. It's always a little bit glitchy in code previews. val can be changed in some ways. Interesting, but we can change const val in Kotlin. Interesting. Yeah, that's totally out of my... I know nothing about Kotlin. Yeah, I have to move setup around a little bit. What? Actually, what's that? Telemetry app ID crashing. Oh, probably because we have empty. We don't have app ID, not app ID, but API key. Okay, but is it running? Oh no, it's crashed. Okay, let's try one more time. Sure, I can disable the telemetry if that will... okay, let's do not launch it. Let's disable config for now. Telemetry initialization. Yeah, maybe because we have the telemetry deck empty. Do they have some test key just for implementation? I doubt, because you basically have to make your own test keys, but just maybe. That's telemetry. Telemetry. Oh, here it is. This one. Swift setup guide. Okay, let's see. Maybe they have some kind of test. Is API key initialization. Your yeah. Unlikely this will work, but maybe they will not crash with this. Let's see. Because that doesn't make sense to generate. Okay, it will crash anyway. Ah, okay. So, I don't know. That doesn't make much sense to kind of generate test API key, add that to the project, and then share the project with that test API key. Doesn't make sense, but seems that without it... Wait a minute, what happened? Oh, here it is. We tried to send, yeah, without configuration. Yeah, that's fire. That should crash. Hey, Gio, hello. Which mouse and keyboard are you using? Today we are... During the stream we switched keyboard. Okay, it launched. Nice. During the stream we switched keyboard, but now I'm on Nufi Air 75 version 2. And yeah, Logitech MX3S or S3. So I think we need tab bar probably to switch in between home and settings screen, and then probably paywall, somehow trigger paywall as well. It is crashing on different ID, not what you change it. Yeah, but I think that, okay, you know, let's switch up, let's add kind of real API key quickly. I just don't want to spoil it. Constants. Let me find working API key. Oh, I don't have it in this application. Let's open where it was. In habit tracker, I have telemetry. Telemetry key, here we have it. Let's try. Let's try to see. Okay, and let's run initialization, everything. We'll see if it will crash now or not, and then we will know if did that happen because of API key or something else. So seems that my assumption was right, and it is not crashing now, and it is running. So it was API key. And now if we will go to the telemetry deck and we'll sign in. Do we have password? Yeah, we have. Select an app. Oh, yeah, that's the same API key. Test data. Yeah, here it is, one connection with test data. And I'm running it with mini habits key. Yeah, here it is. We see it on the dashboard. So yeah, we just need to comment this out for now. And then think how to deliver it. Probably we can just do like that and add in documentation that, oh, uncomment those 3 lines, add your telemetry key and it will be fine. Swift is like Kotlin, what's that? Kotlin print line, that's like C, right? Yeah, val is let. String interpolation. Yeah, on kind of brief look, it's quite similar. It's very good resource, thank you. I hope I will never need it, but thank you anyways. Number mapping. Why it? Okay. Sorted versus sort. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I am sleepy. Looking briefly, exactly. That's the same programming language. Okay, I will clean up my keys and will just commit what I did today. Nothing much, but okay, something. And I hope to finish to work on this boilerplate code because we don't need anything crazy. I hope to finish working on it on hopefully next week. And yeah, then start using it for my new project and maybe develop new, build and release new application. Okay, we'll go to sleep now. It's almost midnight, few minutes until midnight. So stopping stream now. We'll try to do, as always, we'll try to do those streams weekly, but you know, life is life getting in the way. We'll see how that will go. Okay. Oh, where is my stop stream buttons? Found it. Found it. See you on the next stream. Bye bye. Good night.